guys, welcome back to my channel lovingreviews.com, and today we are going to review the second part of this keyboard called Razer Blackwidow Ultimate 2016 edition mechanical keyboard for both Windows and Mac. So let's proceed further. So guys, as you've seen in the previous session or previous video, I have just configured the initial setup of how it looks and how the overall appearance looks and how the keystrokes look and how the sound of the keyboard basically is. But today we are going to see the software presentation, the software layouts which you can customize using the Razer Synapse software, which comes with this keyboard. So as soon as you connect it on your Windows machine, it automatically loads up and starts the process of installation. But if in case you're using Mac, I don't think it will automatically do. You have to download that software manually and then use it to customize it. So one thing the most I like about this keyboard is the different layouts it basically has. So the backlights, if you see right now, it's configured in one of the settings. So you have different settings that you can select so that the backlight, the LEDs gets activated. So I believe there are totally 6, and the last one is none. If you don't want to have any other configuration, you can just select it. If you don't want any other configurations, and if you just want a plain keyboard, you also have that option. So that, including that, it's basically 7 layouts that you can select or customize. So let's start with the first one. So right now it is basically configured in ripples, which I basically use a lot. Apart from that, there are 5 more. So let's start with the first one. So this is the breathing mode. So basically what it does is it basically inhales and exhales kind of thing. So as you're seeing it on the screen, it just glows and gets deactivated, just like breathing kind of settings. So you have only one option here. You can actually increase or decrease the brightness of it. So let's make it a bit low and show you. So this is at the lowest brightness. So you see that maybe you are able to see it or not, but I'm able to see it. Let me put it back to the highest level. So this is at the highest brightness level. And you also have one more setting, is that you can actually change the color or the overall glowness of this thing. I don't know how it matters, because I do see that there are 2 settings on the software. So the first one is the brightness. The first one is changing the color. The second one is the brightness. I don't know how they both vary, because increase or decreasing the color is basically reflecting as a brightness as well. So you can ignore that. So one customization only. So that is in the first setting, breathing. Let's go to the second one right now. And this is the best layout which I use, or customization I use. So here you have 2 settings. One is the duration, for which the light should glow or the LED should glow, and apart from that we have brightness as well. So right now if I press any key right now, if I press any key, you can see how it's going. So it's only reactive. So when you press the key, that's when it gets activated. So you have 2 settings here. One is the duration and another one is the brightness. So I don't change that. I'm okay with that setting. And this is the third setting. It is called ripple. So the first one was breathing, second one was reactive, and this is ripples or ripple. So it's just kind of a wave flow which flows across when you press a key. The neighboring keys gets activated. That's called ripples. So it's just the waves kind of thing. It's just pushing out to the neighboring keys. This is amazing if you're in low light, if you're not in a studio kind of setup. I think this would be the best layout, suiting your requirement. So you have only one setting, the brightness here. I don't want to change anything, because I'm okay with because this keyboard is mechanical. So I hope you believe why you purchased a mechanical keyboard. you want to change that to lower light. And the fourth one is static. So as you see on the screen, all the keystrokes get the LED activated, and there's no much customization, only the brightness which you can play around. I don't think this layout you would be selecting, because I don't feel it to be much attractive. And this is starlight. So again, you have only one customization here, the brightness. And as you see the screen, the keywords randomly get activated. So I'm okay with this, but I don't think it is much attractive as ripples or reactive. Let's select. So this is another layout. This is called waves. So you have breathing and ripples almost the same way, but this is a wave. So you can actually play around two settings here. One is the direction of the wave and the brightness. So presently this is going from rightwards, so this is going towards the right direction, but you can also change it towards left. So right now it's coming back to left, and you can always increase or decrease the brightness. So brightness is always static in all of the settings. And the last one is, this is the 7th layout. If you just don't want to use the keystrokes or the LEDs behind the keys, then I think this is okay. I mean, if you wanted to use it in office or any environment, then I think this will justify your requirement. Or I haven't seen any keyboard as this with so many customizations. I really like this keyboard. I mean, when I started using laptop or my desktop, I never found any keyboard as good as this till date, and I've really enjoyed, and it makes my productivity run like a beast. I definitely recommend this keyboard if in case you're in the market looking for a mechanical keyboard. And that's it, guys. So I hope you have liked this video. Subscribe to my channel, and it's your host Naveen saying bye bye. See you again.